Sixth graders, welcome to spelling. I am going to make a brief spelling lesson because we made some mistakes on the last lesson in that first part on that very first page. So we're doing it. I'm going to make sure I cover that a little bit more thoroughly with you because a lot of mistakes were made. And so anyway, what I want to go over is we're on lesson 28. You'll again have your 12 pattern words for the test that you'll take on Thursday. You will do all the spelling book pages on the computer. I will be assigning that to you. And those pages, you are only doing page 109 and 110. Those are the pages that you are working on. So first off, let's go ahead and go through this. And I want to go through the first part of it, where the directions they state in the first part. It says a suffix is a word that is a part. Let's start again. A suffix is a word part that is added to the ending of a root or root with a prefix. Write pattern words to complete the exercise. Sort the words according to their spelling when adding the suffix. The suffixes are able, ary, ible, ISM, and OUS. So let's take a look at the first one. It says 1 through 8 words that do not change. All right, so the words that do not change 1 through 8. For example, the first example that I'm giving you is the word diet. Diet. Now, if I change diet to dietary, if you notice, the base word, the root word is still the same. It's still the same. All I did is I added the suffix to it, which means a suffix means the ending, adding something to the end of the word. Now, if I go to the second set here, it says, if I go through words 9 through 12, then it says words that drop the silent E. So I'm looking for words in my pattern words there that state where I show the dropping E. So I start off with the root word of imagine, and I changed it to imaginary. I dropped the E, add between the N and the A, dropped it, and added the suffix ARY. So this is the pattern that you're setting up. You're looking for words that the root word has the E. When you added the suffix, it drops the E and adds the suffix ending. In this case, it was ARY. Again, you will be dealing with, in those words where you're dropping the E, you will be dealing with OUS. You will be dealing with ABLE. So those are the primary two that you will be dealing with. So you need to make sure, check yourself over in the pattern words that you're using. You are also doing page 111, which is the dictionary page. Okay, both these pages are on the computer, and you'll be able to answer them just like you would in your workbook. I would still recommend completing them in your workbook, but still, you must answer them on the computer, because that's how I have it set up. Because I don't know, like I said, how much longer we will be able to bring stuff to school. That's going to be up to Mr. Tavish. So I hope this helps you. And again, you can look at this. If you have questions, feel free to ask me. Have a good week.